Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all of you are well. Welcome to this English channel. Today you are going to enjoy about the system of using that. Actually, in the field of right form of verbs and in the field of connectors, there are some words. After these words, you can use that. There are some words or few words. After those words, you can use that easily. In a sentence, you can find a gap. After these words, you can use that in the field of connectors. And in the field of right form of verbs, before that you can find a gap. You can set up these kinds of verbs that have been given on this board. Okay, remember that, forget that, declare that, see that, find that or found that, believe that or it is believed that, feel that, anticipate that or know that, predict that. Sometimes we can see this kind of sentence in a sentence. The climatologist dash that. The climatologist predict that. Next, mention that, pointed out that, hope that or hoped that, show that, propose or suggest that. In the field of connectors, we can see in this way. For example, though their teachers suggest gave that, their answer should be brief and perfect or short. They cannot understand these words. Indicate that, fear that. In this way, wish that or bear in mind that, keep in mind that. We should bear in mind. In this way, you can see the sentences in the field of right form of verbs and in the field of connectors. Keep in mind, bear in mind and keep in mind are same word, same meaning of these phrases. Deny that or deny that, hoped or hope that or expected that, tell or told that, realize or realized that, think or thought that, say or said that, acknowledge or opine or expect or answer that. Sometimes we can find in the field of right form of verbs, it is, it dash that. So you can set up in this gap passive form of the verb. It is acknowledged that, or it is anticipate that, or it is believed that. In this way you can set up the words. Suspect that or recognize that, it is recognized that. Besides, you can see it is sure dash that. In the field of connectors, after these words, you can see or you can set up that easily. Seeing these words, you should set up that easily. Actually, these techniques or systems are very interesting to set up that in the gap. Sure that or certain that, fact that, no doubt that, obvious, it is obvious that, true that. Besides, we can say, but it is a matter of sorrow that, but it is a matter of joy that, but it is a matter of regret that, and this way. This sentences you can use or you use in the writing of application, but it is a matter of sorrow that. So you should know these words, verbs and adjective or other words, because you can set up that after these words easily. So you should memorize that. You should memorize these words. If you want to set up that in the box or in the gap in the field of connectors. Okay, thank you all.